Welcome to SITC Lab. Let's learn, create, and animate.
Open Google, type Canva, and click on Website. It takes you to home page of Canva. Now click on Video. Select Video Landscape. Project is created. Here you can increase duration or add another frame. Add another page and adjust the time duration of the page. I'm selecting first page for project. You can try 30 days free trial. Click on the element and type beach to search for the beach view. Here, multiple beach images are displayed. Choose the one that looks most suitable for your design. I have selected this beach scene. Now I need to adjust it into the frame. Manually adjust the scene in the frame. Now on the search bar, type walk on beach. Now we need a character suitable for the beach. Go to the search bar and type walk on beach. I have selected this girl and now I will adjust her to the right position. Type floor in the search bar and select any floor. I have selected this one and I'm adjusting it to cover the space. I have used 3 floors to fill the area. Go to another page for new scene. After this, go to search element. Type here office. Now you see multiple office graphics. I select this building. Go to search element and type road. I select a straight road here. Adjust the place of the road. Now go to the search bar and type here house. Click on see all. I select this house and now select the right position to settle the house. Place it on the right side of the road. After this, go to the search bar, type here walk and click on see all. There are multiple characters walking in different style and position. Now I am selecting the girl who is holding the dog's leash. The girl holding the dog's leash is overlapping with the house. For this, there is an option of layers. Click on position there, to option arrange and layer, and then click on layer. Now here you flip the building over the road. By flipping, you see the building overlap the road. Close the layer, go to search element bar and type ground. Now click on see all. Again, adjust the size of the house. Go to the search bar and type sky. Click on see all. Select the free available sky and adjust it in the frame. Resize the sky and adjust the upper part of the frame with sky. Sky overlapping the building and the house. To click on position, flip the sky to the very back. Once the sky is at the back, resize it and fit it into the frame. You can add or remove any element again. For example, in my scene, the row is not set properly, so I will delete it. Fit the character of girl on the ground. Now we have to make the character move. For this, click on Animate. Click on Create an Animation. Click on this bee and move it the way you want your character's animation to be. Move the character in a straight line so it can walk properly across the group in a clear, direct path. See the movement of the character. Go to search element bar, type road, and click on see all. By clicking on the see, all you see many graphic of road. See one road. Select the road and adjust it beneath the character's feet, placing it neatly above the ground for a natural look. Finalize the character position and road. Set the time duration. Now click on Animation, then select Create Animation. Here you will see the character walking. Next, select the bee and move it to define the direction and path you want your character to follow. See the final scene. It showed a blank page. Type grass to search bar, select a free grass, adjust the size and place it to the lower right corner. To create a smooth grass floor, select a different grass texture. Place it to the lower right corner. Type sky, click on see all, select a free trial, sky and select it into the frame. Resize the sky. Click on position. Since the sky is overlapping the grass, flip the sky to the very bottom. Now resize the sky again and feed it to the back so that no white areas are visible. Close the layer bar, go to the element search bar, type here butterfly and click on see all. I select the blue butterfly, resize the butterfly and place it on the right spot. If one butterfly doesn't look right in the full frame, I will select another butterfly so the frame doesn't look bad. So I'm selecting this butterfly, resizing it and placing it on the left side. Once again, open the element search bar and type flower to find suitable options. Click on see all. From the available graphic flowers, select one and resize it to fit your design. Fit it onto the grass so it looks like it's growing from the ground. Once the flower is positioned, drag and place the butterfly above it to create a natural look. From the search bar, choose another flower to add variety to your design. Take the flower's stem and place it on top of the grass. Resize it carefully and adjust its position so it looks naturally fixed in the scene. Close the search bar, resize the butterfly and position it carefully on top of the flower so it appears naturally resting there. Click on Position, go to Layer. Now move the layers up or down until each element is properly positioned in the scene. Flip the blue butterfly and place it on top of the right flower so it looks naturally positioned. Go to Search Bar, type Rain, click on See All. After selecting it, resize the element and position it neatly on the sky background. Return to the search bar, scroll down through the options and choose another sky background. Resize the sky and place it on the upper right. Go to the search bar and type grass. Click on See All. Scroll down through the options and check which ground texture fits best for your scene. Now select this ground, adjust its size, and position it neatly under the grass so it looks natural. Choose another ground element, place it on the lower right side, resize it, and adjust it until it fits naturally in the scene. Go to the search bar and type Walk with Umbrella. Click on See All. Now select a girl character holding an umbrella to add into the scene. Select the character, drag it, and adjust its position so it stands properly on the grass. Click on Position, go to Layers, click on Animate. Go to Photos, double-click on Character. Click on Create an Animation. Hold Shift while dragging to keep the movement in a straight line. Adjust the animation speed by dragging the element faster or slower. Release the element to complete the animation. All the scenes are finalized. Now on the upper right side, click on Share. You can either copy this or download it directly. Thanks so much for watching SIDC Lab. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment too. We'll see you in the next fun and exciting tutorial.